city Paris was hit by severe hailstorm on Monday afternoon, causing widespread disruption and damage. The storm, which lasted for approximately 13 minutes, saw hailstones as large as a golf ball pelting down from the sky. The hailstorm resulted in multiple road incidents, with the motorists traveling to negative the slippery and treacherous conditions. Several vehicles were reportedly damaged with the smashed windows and dented roofs. The storm also caused chaos for commuters, with many train services being disrupted and cancelled. Passengers were advised to check their travel plans before setting off. The Paris Fire Department received over 700 calls in relation in the storm, with reports including fallen trees and damaging buildings. Emergency crews worked tirelessly to clear debris and make the affected areas safe. While these hailstorms are not uncommon in France, the safety of this storm has taken many residents for surprise. The country's meteorological service has warning that more extreme weather conditions could be on the horizon and are urging people to take necessary precautions.